Hello, everyone. Today I'll be discussing relational database, and I believe that relational databases have a future, and they are not going to extinct in the foreseeable future, as others may disagree. So before we start, I would like us to briefly know what relational databases are. So relational database is a type of database that uses a structure that allows us to identify and access data in relation to another piece of data in the database. Often, relational databases are represented in a tabular form. You can talk of the Microsoft Access SQL are all examples of relational database. I believe that relational databases will continue to dominate the market, and it's not going to extinct in the foreseeable future because of the following reasons: data integrity, data accuracy, flexibility, and then we can talk of simplicity, its safety, easy access to data, and other reasons. So I will explain some of these reasons and to attest to why relational database will continue to dominate the market. Data accuracy. In relational databases, developers carefully sort through every piece of data. There's no repetitive or unstructured information, which improve database performance and readability. Primary and foreign keys are intuitive ways of connecting identifying databases, which also contribute to high accuracy. We can talk of data integrity. Relational databases check all entries on their legitimacy and validity. All records are correctly processed and stored. As soon as the database detects an isolated entry, developers are immediately notified. Errors don't accumulate over time, which makes relational databases well suited for scaling solutions. So we can talk of a database that you can rely on when performing your duties. And then we talk of flexibility. As your business grow, it becomes more flexible for you to use relational database. So the relational database allows creating new relations between tables without violating existing data structures. So probably you are not having this department, but as the business have grown, we have created an additional department. The department can be connected or can be related to all other departments because they are represented in a tabular form. Also, it allows no duplicate, which limits CPU consumption and increase database efficiency. We can talk of safety. You can decide which tables in relation database are confidential and which tables are not. And as such, it is also possible to set different levels of access for every user. So it's not all users that will have access to all the tables or all the information. So you can base on that and say that relational databases are mostly safe to use. We can talk of easy access to data. Relational databases allow accessing any kind of data just by entering the query. With conditional statement and queries, you can view any number of related tables. There is no specific pathway for data search and management. So based on these reasons I have mentioned, I believe that relational database will continue to dominate the database market. Thank you.